What's up, boys? I'm recording this on New Year's Eve and I finally finished editing this video and all of the clips from this year that we had on YouTube. And man, I just gotta say, this has been such a great year. We have made so many videos. I don't know, but I think at least in the end of this year, this is the most videos I've ever done, and I feel like I actually can continue with doing that, and I'm really looking forward to this next year and what it can bring. 2021 was so much better for me than 2020, and we got to buy a bunch of new shit, we got to do a bunch of cool stuff, and I'm just really stoked for this year. It has been a really great year for me, so I hope it has been a great year for you guys too, and I'm really looking forward to 2022. It's so much fun doing this kind of videos at the end of the year, because you always, without fail, think that the things you did in January were actually years ago, but actually they weren't so long ago, and actually see all of the shit that you have gotten done this year. And yeah, I almost forgot to mention this, but we hit 30,000 subscribers on the channel this year. So cool. And that was only like a couple of weeks ago, so I'm just so stoked, boys. And yeah, we started speaking English on the channel, so that's a new thing, I guess. Right now I actually checked the stats, we have about 29% of my viewership is not from Sweden. So that's really cool. Just the thought of people in other countries being able to watch your content and them actually doing so is it's a really cool thing for me. But I hope you guys have had a great year. We'll soon get into the video, into the edit of all the clips, kind of the best parts of 2021 for me. And I just wanted to wish you guys a happy New Year's. If you liked this year and if you liked the video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up before you leave here. Leave a comment on what you thought of this year and what you want to see in the next year down below. And I'll see you guys soon. As usual, Instagram and Patreon are linked here down below. And I wish you guys a happy New Year's. Have a good one. Bye. Tjenare fan, Hej Jonsson här.
morning and see your face, I can feel it coming back. These shivers are every day. Whoa, I say it's over, I get out of bed and leave, yeah, just like that. I got the shivers whenever I would think about you. Now that I left, I live without you. I'm on my own again. I got the shivers whenever you went out of line, yeah. Now it's like everything is fine, yeah. 'Cause now I'm alone again.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us